Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you to sorry, I'm losing my mind. How to play the McDonald's eCrew development program or the McDonald's training game. So first what you want to do is you want to go to this website, which I will gladly link in the description. You want to go to show all, then you want to click this button, NDS. And then it'll take a little bit of time, but no big deal. And while that's going, I'm going to show you what else you have to do. So, as you can see, see this? This is Melon DS. I can't show you how to extract it because I'm not using licensed software. So, it's non-commercial. So, anyways, I thought I had the EXE. Okay, sorry for the black screen. I'm still here. I'm just gonna have to, for a second here, I'm gonna have to blank you out. Okay, we're back. So I'm gonna have to, okay, you click Melon DS. Voila! This is what you want. This is the program. Why do I still have OBS open? I apologize. So let's just go to, here, as it should. So here's NDS, okay? So you're gonna go to File, Open ROM. Then you're gonna go to Downloads, double click. There you go. Sadly, I don't remember the code, but I'll link a video and it'll have the code in it. Oh wait, actually I do remember the code. Oh, and also I neglected something else. So let's go back here, and also you need to download Save, S-A-V. And you want to do System. Give me a second, I don't remember how to do this. Okay, I want to do... Sorry, I need a second to... Oh, you want to go to File, and then you want to do Import Save File, and then that SAV file. Okay. And then you're here again. And then you go here, you enter 482500 482500. By the way, I don't know Japanese, so I can't help you. But if you can figure this out, go at it. So that is my tutorial, but just so you know, the NDS and SAV files, depending on your internet, might take a while to download. So I have high-speed internet, so it's not terribly slow. So just be aware that it might take a few minutes to download. Oh, and also, you don't have to because I put in all the steps, but if you want to, you can also download this README password plus instructions.txt. Actually, you don't download it, it just trades you this. And it says blah 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 blah. And yeah, it doesn't really help you. I already put everything in here that you need. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.